Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to write an advertisement for change of name. If you want to change your name, then how to write that advertisement. So let's get started. Students, if you are interested in knowing what is an advertisement, how many types of advertisements are there, what is classified advertisement, categories of advertisement, and the marking scheme for class 12th CBSE, then you can watch lecture 1 on advertisement writing. I have explained in detail all these topics in lecture 1. Now, what is change of name? It is a type of advertisement that is written to intimate your friends, relatives, and public about the new name which you have acquired after changing your name. अब अगर आप अपना नाम बदलते हैं तो इस एडवर्टाइजमेंट के जरिए आप अपने दोस्तों, रिश्तेदारों और पब्लिक को ये बताते हैं कि आपने अपना पुराना नाम चेंज करके कौन सा नया नाम रखा है, ताकि सब लोग आपको आपके नए नाम से बुला सके. Now here are some important tips which are to be followed for writing an advertisement. Point number 1, clearly state the category at the top. For example, change of name, to let, accommodation wanted, situation vacant, for sale, etc. So when we are writing the advertisement for change of name, our heading is going to be change of name. Once you have written the heading, after that give all necessary details. Then give your name, contact address and telephone number. And never be too lengthy. Word limit for writing an advertisement is 50 words. Please stick to this word limit. Because if you exceed the word limit or you are writing too less, then your marks will be deducted for this. And once the advertisement is over, put the matter in a box. If you forget to draw the box, you will lose half mark. So please be very careful. Now students, here are some value points for writing an advertisement for change of name. So what are the things you have to write in this advertisement? First of all, your present name, followed by father's name or husband's name, whichever is applicable. Then write your address. Name now acquired. After that, write the new name. Then reason for change. Reason might be marriage, passport, astrological reason. So whatever it is, mention the reason. Then calling attention of the public, relatives and friends. So it is very simple to write this advertisement. Please remember these points carefully. पहले आपको अपना present name देना है, फिर father's names और husband's name, then address, क्योंकि एक नाम के बहुत सारे लोग हो सकते हैं. उसके बाद जो आपने नया नाम रखा है और आपको क्यों आप अपना नाम बदलना चाहते हैं उसका रीजन भी देना होता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल inform the public and request them to address you by your new name. Now here is a sample advertisement. Write an advertisement in about 50 words for change of a name in a local daily. So now students, here no details are given. You have to invent everything on your own. So let's see how to write this advertisement. Heading, change of name. I think this is clear. So in this type of advertisement, we start with I. I, Miss Veena Kumari, daughter of Shivanshu Singla, resident of 43 MG Road, Pune. So here present name is given Veena Kumari, then father's name is given, then address is given. Do hereby declare that I have changed my name to Veena Sharma after my marriage to Ravindra Sharma, son of Abhishek Sharma of Chandigarh. So now here you have told your new name. All concerned are requested to note and to address me by my new name. So students, this is very simple to write this advertisement. Write your present name, after that husband's name or father's name, then your address, after that the name which you have now acquired, then the reason for change, and then telling the public to use your new name in all correspondence or while addressing you. Now one more sample advertisement for you. This will make the concept more clear. You have changed your name from Kulwant Singh Talwandi to Kulwant Talwandi through an affidavit. Inform the general public about the changed name by drafting a classified advertisement to be inserted in a local newspaper. So here students, in the question, your present name and the new name is already there, and the mode of changing is also given through an affidavit. So this is how we write our advertisement. First, name of category, that is change of name. I, Kulwant Singh Talwandi, son of Jagir Singh Talwandi, resident of 101 Janakpuri, New Delhi, have changed my name to Kulwant Talwandi. This is the new name by an affidavit sworn before the Notary Public, Janakpuri, New Delhi on 24th May 2020. Henceforth, I shall be known as Kulwant Talwandi for all purposes. So students, I hope now you will be able to write an advertisement for change of name on your own. Thank you very much for watching this video, and for more such videos kindly subscribe my channel. Do share and comment. Thank you very much.